My name Big Chippy Low.
Yeah, Chippy Low.
YBG shit. Life as a Hoover. Niggas ask me, like, dating-wise, like, why I don't act like a girl. The shit that we have to go through being from Hoover Street, we raised like young men out here. All that soft shit, ain't none of that. That shit dangerous. Every day is something.
Oh, Hoover, this shit fun and dangerous at the same time on 8th Street.
So nobody like us.
Nobody.
We EBK in the spit. They be saying they age blank, but don't be coming over here. Niggas bullshit.
Like, niggas love this and said it's like a trend. Like, people would say it's like.
You ain't making every state.
What's the age range over here? Y'all look a little young.
I'm 16.
I'm 18.
18. Just turned 18.
I'm
the youngest for the Gunners.
That's the nigga my young nigga that kick groove, knee groove in the head.
So what was going through your head when you did the little drop kick?
Nah, Groove was over here on some weirdo shit, like on smoker shit. At first we let Groove alone, but then he started doing weird shit on us. Like, what you trying to take Dominicans for, nigga? Over.